Short stories that prove Seh Duppy real. A little girl went to the river early every morning, one particular night. A river mermaid dreamed her and asked her for her pink rag. The little girl went to the river and left it for the mermaid to take. A young man always see the old man Quacko Duppy bird, jumping around the graves that are in his yard and in the hills. Every time he saw them, he always had a strange feeling about them. Sometimes they would follow him from his yard to the bush.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
A young girl was walking one night on a dark road in a dark, bushy country area. Suddenly she saw something in the distance. It looked like an oversized cow with fire coming out of its nose. Her head started to swell big and she knew right then and there that it was a rolling calf. She took off running and the big scary creature chased her all the way home. A group of kids were at a river called Baptize in St. Mary. The older generations always warned that mermaid lived there. The kids were told that when the water dry up, that was when the mermaids will come out. The kids were catching water and when they turned around, the whole river bed was dried up. They started running for their lives. A young boy was at a river in Jamaica when he got kidnapped by sea creatures. When confronted by them, his immediate reaction was to pretend to be dumb. That's how they let him go. That young boy is now deceased. A girl from a rural community was kidnapped, but she eventually returned with a long head of hair and was saying some crazy things. People just started to assume that she was losing her mind because she claimed to have been kidnapped by mermaids. A young lady had an ex-boyfriend that passed away tragically. Whenever she thought of him or looked at his pictures, something would always start to haunt her. The Siri thing would come in her house pulling her feet and feeling her up.
Check out the playlist below for more.